Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Okay, Phoebe, Gru will be back really soon, so we mustn't do anything crazy. We just have to look after the Minions.
They're so cute.
Uh-oh,
That can't be good.
Oh, it says do not press, so nobody touch it.
Oh, banana. Well, banana. Yeah, banana. Yeah, banana. Butter.
No, don't press it.
Uh-oh.
Banana
Whoa!
What's happening?
Where did they come from?
What are they, Fizzy? Oh, play-doh puddles. This is a disaster.
Oh no! We're gonna get stuck in them if we're not careful.
Oh, play-doh, plop. Oh. Oh, play-doh banana. Oh.
Gruey's gonna be home soon, and now we have all three Minions stuck in play-doh.
Oh, well, don't worry, Phoebe. I can use my fizzy magic to help get them unstuck. But first, we need to make sure they're healthy. Are we ready to be a pet vet? Join in with me. 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, oh, busy bop. No more pushing red buttons, Minions.
We have 1, 2, 3 Minions.
Let's check them over. Hey, I'm gonna need that. Right, I'm gonna use this stethoscope to check your heart rate. This helps me know if it's beating quickly or slowly. Oh, well, that's funny. I can't hear anything.
Banana.
Very funny. This Minion is ready to go. Oh, whoa, Minion, a bottle fell on your head. Is your head sore now? Let me use my x-ray machine to take a look, yeah? The x-ray machine lets us see what's going on inside. I can't see anything. I need to take a closer look.
Magnifying glass. Quick, Fizzy. Gru will be back soon.
Looks like we might need a Band-Aid.
Oh, use my unicorn ones, Fizzy, please.
I'd love to. There you go, Minion. You'll be better in no time.
Gru is going to be home really soon, Fizzy.
Oh, yeah, we have to be really speedy.
Oh, Fizzy, that third Minion looks really kind of warm to me.
Oh, yeah. Good spot, Phoebe. We could use a thermometer. A thermometer helps us get the internal temperature of animals and humans. You're right, Phoebe. This Minion is very warm. No, wait, Phoebe. We need to get this Minion cooled down, and then we need to get back to Gru.
Oh,
Hopefully that will cool her down. Let's check. Awesome sauce! This Minion is much cooler. Let's use some fizzy magic to get these Minions out of their play-doh puddles and take us all back home. Are you ready? Say it with me. 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, go busy bop. Oh. We did it! We got all the Minions home safely.
Yay, we make a great team.
Oh, Phoebe, looks like Groove's about to get home. Come on, Minions. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day.
We will.
See you